Morning guys, Patrick here from Wrestling Nerds. Want to welcome you to day one of Sidari. There's really no battle plan today, but I did forget to mention in the video from yesterday that East Midlands Airport is a complete shithole. It is dirty, but we'll save that for another video, I think, when we do the review coming back. But yeah, plan today, there is no plan. Do the bog standard room tour, potentially now go and get something to eat. I don't know what. I'm not that hungry because we didn't eat till really late last night. So yeah, today's going to be one of them days. I'll see you in a bit. Bye. On the way back. Room tour. So that's the quick room tour. That is pretty much it. Yeah, today falling lazy at the minute. Went down the strip, had a look at a few shops, doing what you gotta do. Coming back now, chilling out for a few hours. Probably gonna crack a Mythos open very soon. And then yeah, plan is to go somewhere to eat tonight. Don't know where we're going yet. And then probably pop into the arcade, couple of beers, nice early night, back into the room. So guys, I'll catch you all in a bit. So the plan tomorrow, well, maybe Sunday, I'm looking at getting the drone out. It's flying the drone up from here as well. Obviously when conditions seem okay. If you've been following for a while, that room there was the one that I did like when it was really, really windy and pissing it down with rain. So I'll do a little update on extra fees at that hotel as well. The Christakis apartment, it is €2 a night for a safe, and then it's €8 per night for aircon. Things like this at the minute is that we don't have to pay it. It is boiling. Last night was horrible, so you never know, we might end up paying that. just off to the shop now to stock up on a few Mentos and then go for a meal. Probably hit the family tonight, I think, maybe, potentially. So I'll catch you guys soon. That was amazing as always. Don't know if you can hear me, but yeah, that was amazing. The plan is now is to go onto the strip, go into the arcade, have a few games on the arcade games. Do I film anything? I don't know. We'll let you know. But I'll be back very soon.